Hello, this is Quiet Car. Welcome to my channel. The bees are busy in our yard, harvesting the new flowers. The windowsill is rotted all the way through to the board at the bottom. They ain't good. I used the blower to blow all of the debris out of this big hole, and all of the rotted wood is blown out. You can see underneath the board. And I'm putting a sort of plastic sheet cover over it, so it's gonna dry overnight. And this sheet helps to keep the moisture out. I'm mixing borax powder with boiling water to make a borax mixture that I'm gonna spray into the the hole of the rotting wood. This is boiling water. It doesn't spray anymore. Yeah, you see the tube is clogged up with the borax powder. Brush works better. Pretty much cover the whole surface with borax. Now filling it with the window and gap foam from the bottom up. Just like that. Oh, it's finished up. So put a screw in the can to seal it. I let it sit overnight and it's puffed up even more. You can see there's a fair amount of pressure in the foam, so it oozed out over here as well. Got this knife with a serrated blade I'm gonna use to cut out the excess foam. Works pretty well. Now I cut out the top part, the bulk of the foam. And this is what it looks like inside. And a lot of bubbles, so it definitely needs the wood filler to cover it up. You can see that this part of the foam is not fully cured yet, even after overnight. So there's gonna be spots inside that are still tacky. So I'm gonna leave this exposed for maybe a couple more hours. I cleaned up with a blower the foam, loose foam and debris, but I found that this corner of the window frame is also rotted away. Okay, looks like I need more wood filler in here, in this hole. Actually, I'm gonna put some foam in there, let it cure, and then go to the wood filler. There's an extra hole that just opened up as I was trying to clean up the debris. And this part you can see, peeling off the paint, you can see it's already a wood filler epoxy material. So this windowsill has been patched before in this corner at least. This is wood, looks like, but they've definitely done the patching right here before. Okay, now I'm sanding out the old paint. Okay, now I covered it up with wood filler. It's a real messy job, but that's how it is. And I'm gonna let it cure for a few hours, then sand it down. There's a corner here that's also rotted out. Covered it up. And also part of the window frame also. About an hour ago, I put on a coat of primer on the windowsill, and it's cured pretty much. So I'm going to put on the second coat. This is the fully finished repaired windowsill. You can see it's like painted over. It's a lot of roughness from the wood filler. It's kind of covered up in this corner. Yeah, it looks a little rough, but at least it should be waterproof for quite some time. Yeah, move on to the next windowsill. All right, so all of the windows in the front, patched all the holes, painted, sanded, and then put down the primer layers and painted all of them. So there's this one bay window right here, this bay window right here. There's some serious holes in the windowsill. It's all patched up and painted. The top rusted also. And the bottom windowsill burned by the sun. So both of the windows in the garage got painted as well. You can see